Shure has been at GITEX for more than 5 years, so we're always here. We use GITEX as an education platform to showcase our products to the end users, our clients, the partners, the distributors, and everyone who passes by and is interested in our products. The two things that we have on the booth is two new products actually that we launched recently. One of them being the new ceiling tile array mic, and the other one being the new spectrum analyzer. Along with that, you would see on the booth as well our work from home type of products, our live and rental events and large stadium products, as well as our STEM ecosystem, which is a perfect product for meeting room spaces, easy to deploy, very flexible. So that's what we're here for. You guys know that hybrid workplaces are here to stay. It's on the mind of every executive we've had on the stand for the past 3 to 4 days. And one of the challenges that comes with having hybrid workplaces is when you're sitting at home, sometimes you don't have the good equipment. So the audio challenges are there. And you start asking, sorry, can you come closer to the mic? I can't hear you. Or your camera is not on. All these type of issues. Being a company that has a history of more than 97 years in developing audio solutions, we bring the best to the market when it comes to microphones. So we try to solve whether you're sitting at home on a stand like GITEX or in a big live stadium with an artist, across the board. So everybody is can be heard clearly, loudly, without any interruptions, which is usually very frustrating to your users, especially when you're doing a Zoom or Teams call. These integrated solutions, along with our partners, will give you the best. It's like buying, the best camera and then the best lighting, then you get the best interview, right? So you buy the best camera, you buy the best audio, now you have the best equipment to run your meetings. As a MIA entity, for sure, we've always had partners. The region is quite massive. You're talking about Middle East, Africa, and we're covering as well Pakistan. So being a team of 10 or 15 people, there's no way we can cover this entire space on our own. So we have dedicated distributors in every region. Some of them have been with us for the past 15 to 20 years, and some of them are new to Shure. And we make sure they're trained, they have the correct staff that understands the intricacies of audio, and most of them have been with us for a long time because of our support to them. So the team is here on the ground from a sales perspective, from a technical support perspective, all the way to our good friends at marketing, that allows us to be in events like GITEX. We have an entire team dedicated to do these things, and it comes from the asks of our actual customers, and sometimes we even run a poll, like we ran a poll on the color of the in-ear earphones that they would like to have, and so they chose purple, which if we would think about it, as executive, you would never choose purple, but the market asked for purple, and we released a purple in-ear earphones. So definitely we do listen to our customers, but as well we have our own technical people who are studying the trends, making sure that okay, maybe this is something we should be working on because it's going to come up in the next 3 to 4 years. Our customers don't even know about it. So we start working on that. And when a product is ready, we have alpha and beta units that are sent to us, and we go around and we show it to our own distributors, to our own customers, obviously with an NDA, and we gather that feedback again, and we send it back to headquarters. We tell them this is what they like, this is what they don't like, and then we tweak it until the final product is out there, and hopefully everybody's happy to have it and use it. Well, it's a very good point you touched upon, but this comes from our legacy from Mr. Shure himself, because our products were designed and still are designed with a type of military grade into them. So we make sure you buy our product, it doesn't go bad for a long time. Some of our microphones have been used for 20 years, 30 years. They don't go bad, they just work. You pick it up, you plug it in, it works. Now, it's great for our customers because they can just buy it and live with it.
They don't have to buy every year.
But they don't have to buy a new one every year. It's not so great for us, but I mean, this is what have been instilled in us and the entire team from Mr. Shure himself when he was, Well, Dubai has become a hub for the region. It's easier for us being here at a show like GITEX rather than fly into 50, 60, 70 countries and try to be at local shows. It's almost impossible for us to do that. So GITEX really helps us being here and having, African customers flying in, Saudi customers flying in, Qatari customers flying in, and partners at the same time, and meeting them all in the same space, having a discussion, sometimes going out for lunch with them, discussing their projects, discussing what they have in the future. It's definitely helped us being here because it's centrally to the Middle East and the African region.